For many Ghanaians, especially young people, HIV self-testing has become a preferred option because it offers privacy, convenience, and quick results. But health authorities are raising concerns about counterfeit HIV test kits reported on the Nigerian market, warning that they could undermine Ghana's HIV control efforts if they find their way into the country. There's more in this report.
HIV self-testing is increasingly becoming popular, particularly among individuals who prefer to avoid the stigma often associated with visiting testing centers. Many people choose to purchase the kits outside hospitals, relying on the results to make critical decisions about their health. But health experts warn that counterfeit kits could produce false negative results, giving users a false sense of reassurance or false positives that may cause unnecessary panic and emotional distress. Recent reports indicate a number of fake testing kits identified on the Nigerian market. Gains made by government in controlling HIV infections could be threatened if these fake kits enter the Ghanaian market.
We expect people to take notes of those batch numbers. You know, we gave clearly the names, photographs and everything, so that if they are going for such tests, it is their right to find out from the lab the type of diagnostic they are using. That is why we cannot take consumer education out. It doesn't matter the barriers we built, the efforts we put in. Consumers should be well educated. So if you have a well educated consumer, even if the product slips through, that consumer will become the final barrier to alert us.
The FDA says it is intensifying surveillance at entry points and working with stakeholders to prevent any influx of counterfeit kits into the country.
In addition to the alert we released, we've communicated with healthcare professionals, institutions, and all places that they find, they return them to us. So it is like as we are informing the population, at the same time, behind the scenes, we take all measures to pick any available one so that it is not even used on the population. There are so many ports in Ghana. FDA does not sit at all the border towns. And if you have visited any of our border towns, we even have people living in Ghana. Their farms are in Togo. So movement of these products can easily happen.
As regulators work to prevent the entry of the counterfeit HIV test kits, the message remains clear.
The FDA says the fake testing kits are not yet on the Ghanaian market, but the general public is hereby cautioned to look out for the original test kits at the various pharmacies across the country to ensure the accurate result is what you are getting for proper health care. Sarah Apenko, TV3 News, Accra.